Good morning, guys. I hope you are going having a good day today. And today we are going to study lesson number 18, Plants Around Us, in our Pakistan Studies book. Now we know we have some people have pets, they have animals. In the farm, we have tame animals. You know what are tame animals? The animals that can live with us, that like we can use them for farming and for other purposes, and they are trained to live with the humans. And some animals are wild, that live in the jungles and that are sometimes they are frightening for us, and they are sometimes frightened of us as well. Sometimes some animals run toward us and some animals run from us. Let's read. Wild animals live in the forest. As I told you that they live in jungle or forest and jungles. They are shy and sometimes frightened of humans. They are not very human friendly. Like lion live in jungle, it is frightening for us. It is not human friendly. And but the animals like deer, elephant, they are shy and they are frightened of humans. They run away when they see us. And some are dangerous, as I told you that lion is a dangerous animal. Now, some animals are not dangerous or fierce. They are not fierce, they are not scary. They can be trained to work. Like I told you, they are trained to work and to live with us in our places. For example, the cows, the buffaloes, we can use them to work for us. We call these tame animals. Remember, I told you about tame animals? We just discussed wild animals live in jungles and tame animals live in the farms. Now look over here, horse. That this sometimes some horses live in the wild in the jungles as well, but horses are not usually wild. They are tame, and humans made them tame. They humans trained the horses to live with them. Now we can use the horse to have a horse ride, to pull the carts. Back in time when we were not having so many cars, people used to travel through horses and through horse carts. Now bullock, can you see the man riding over here with so many stuff on the cart, and the cart is being pushed by the bull? So this is bullock. Ponies are baby horses. Ponies are baby horses, and we are using them for some races, and we can use them for some work, and we can use them to drive the carts as well. Now elephants, they are human friendly. If we train them and they become a tame animal, back in time they were tame animals. The kings and the queens, they used to ride on them. So the elephants are tame animals. Now look over here, camels. Now nowadays people are using camels on the seaside to have a camel ride. And back in time, people used to use the and camels to draw the carts as well, and they used to travel on the camels. Although it was a very bumpy ride, but they used to have it. Now the donkey, donkey are still being used in many parts of our country to drive the carts, and people are moving some goods over them. Like for example, they have to move some small things from one shop to another. They're using these donkey carts. Horses, ponies, camels, and bull pull carts and wagons. Donkeys, camels, and horses carry loads. See over here, donkey is having a cart which is having a human sitting over there, and there is something placed over here. Camel is having a some kind of couch on it, and people can ride on it and have a trip to the seaside. Look, The horses is having a cart as well, and they are having the cart is having some stuff in there. So, and even if you look, bull is even pushing the cart with some stuff. So they pull the carts and wagons and they carry loads. Elephants move heavy log, because elephant is huge, so they can move the big loads. Other animals help us in different ways. Here are some farm animals. Bull, buffaloes, and horses are kept on farms. For horses, we can use them to ride and we can have a horse race or something. For bulls, we can use them in our farms to work, to graze the field or something like that. And for buffaloes, we can have milk from them, and we can also on Eid we also you remember we also sacrifice them. We sacrifice bulls and buffaloes, but we can't sacrifice horse, remember that. Okay, over here we can see a sheep. Sheep is useful because as we have discussed earlier that we sacrifice them on Eid al-Adha or Badi Eid, you say, and we get wool from the sheep. And you know that wool is being used to make our clothes, bags, carpets, so many things. And now these are buffaloes. So we get milk and meat from buffaloes, cows, and goats. All three of these are giving us milk and meat. We do eat them, guys. So they are buffaloes, cows, and goats. Now chickens are reared on poultry farms. We also use chickens. We use their eggs. Yes, we do. Egg is a healthy diet, and meat for food. Their feathers are used to fill pillows and make dusters. Not the duster to clean the board up, but the duster to clean the house. So we do have the feathers, the pillow, the feathers over here. Can you see the feather on the chicken? So we are using these to make those dusters, and sometimes they are being used to fill pillows as well. They make a pillow really soft. In some places they use some different kind of synthetic cotton, but they are using the feathers as well. Now what we should remember is that we must be kind to animals because they are living creatures and they are very useful to us. Yes, they are, because we are eating them, we are getting help from them, we are getting so many things from them. They cannot tell us, but they also feel pain because they are living things. Hunger, happiness. When you hit them, definitely they feel pain, they cry, they feel hunger as well. Like we are hungry, we can yell for food, but they can't. Happiness. If you have a pet, you must know this. When they are happy, they smile, they lick you or something. But and when they are sad, they sit down in some corner and they just be on their own. So they have all the feelings like us humans have in their own ways. Okay, now let's answer some questions. Which animals pull carts and wagons? I told you that horses, bulls, camels, donkey, they all pull the carts. What work do elephants do? We discussed that elephants are huge, so they move the heavy logs. How are chicken useful to us? Obviously, we just discussed that we are getting meat and egg from them. We are eating them and we are we are eating their eggs too. Name three farm animals. Talk about how they are useful. Cows is one farm animal. They are used. Buffaloes, and goats are farm animals. We are using them for food. We are using them for. We are getting milk from them. We are getting meat from them, and not only these, their skin is being used as well. Remember, the natural material that exists is the cow skin. The leather is coming out of it, and we are using leather for so many things, for jackets, for bags, for shoes, for sometimes for pants. So there are so many things. Okay, why should we be kind to animals? We just discussed it, that they are living things. They do feel the pain, they do feel the hunger, they do feel the happiness, and they do feel the sadness. Now let's do this page. Talk about the animals mentioned on page 51 and 52. We know those animals. Fill in the following boxes. Some animal can be named in both groups. So let's see. What does it say? We get food from. So we get food from buffalo, obviously. Buffalo. We get food from cow. We get food from chicken. We get food from goat. We get food from sheep. And what else do we get food from, guys? Think about it. We get food from camels. Yes, guys, we do eat camel. Okay, we use we use these to move heavy goods. First is elephant, obviously, because elephant is huge. What else animal were pulling the carts? Right, they were. Horse was pulling the cart, donkey was pulling the cart, bull was pulling the cart, camel can also pull the cart, and the baby horse mean ponies, they can pull the cart too. Now look over here what they say. Color this picture and write few sentences about it. So we can see that this looks like a donkey to me. It is a donkey. So you have to color this picture and write how can we use this donkey, how is it being helpful for us. I hope you guys enjoyed your lesson. Have a good time. Take care. Bye.